You like to ride your bike? If you do, this may upset you. You may feel this is a violation of your rights. But there are a number of people that feel you shouldn't be riding in traffic in Southern California. There's a group on Facebook with over 33,000 members that want it to stop. Although it is your right, riding your bike in traffic is like flying a glider through the flight path at LAX during takeoff. Sometimes you're lucky to survive. Should people ride their bikes and have the right? Absolutely. Should they do it in traffic, Leo?
No. And can I sign up on Facebook? There has been too many close calls, and cyclists are not motorists. Yes, they should be more bike path. But let me be very clear from a personal experience. I don't like cyclists in the middle of a left turn lane pretending to be a motor vehicle. It is dangerous, it's unsafe, and these individual cyclists, who I applaud for riding their bikes, they think they're motorists. And let me be clear, you're not a motorist, you're a cyclist. I'll sign up for Facebook. I'm opposed to it.
I'll tell you something. Those people would take exception with you like this. They think they have the absolute right to be out there. I just think it's dangerous. It's dangerous.
Right. You know, and the thing is, the roads aren't more yours because you have some big road-hogging, gas-guzzling hunk of steel you're motoring around in. But this comes down to common personal sense, you know, that I don't ride a bike anymore because of all these people on cell phones and putting on mascara and everything. It's just like a death wish. But if people wish to take their life in their hands, that's their choice. And I just hope they pay for their health insurance and we don't.
But they complain, and there are blogs here in Los Angeles. Cyclists are very upset. What's the solution? Leo?
I'll tell you what the solution is. Cyclists, more bike paths. You're not motorists. Fred, you go down PCH, they drive along that path. That is an inherently dangerous road. Notwithstanding that fact, you got cyclists almost daring motorists. They need more bike path. I don't like the idea of cyclists pretending to be motorists.
They have the right to be on the roads just like everyone else.
They don't have the right. They're not cars.
No, people need, the drivers need to be more careful. This isn't cyclists go away. People are getting around. You know, this is a tough economy. Some people don't even have cars.
No, Amy, here's the issue here. Are you telling me that you view a cyclist as a car and that they should have the same type of latitude on the roads? The roads are built for cars, not for cyclists. Give cyclists more bike paths.
Cyclists are entitled to the roads. It doesn't matter what they were built for. They're entitled.
Well, I think we all agree that it's dangerous to be out there if you're on a bicycle. Amy, Leo, well done. Thanks. We'll talk to you next week.
Thank you so much.
Take care. Bye-bye.